Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed flat today, absolutely flat, but have closed below 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is a negative sign for the markets. And also markets have closed negative on the weekly charts, which is again a very negative sign for the markets. The momentum indicators on the sell side on the daily charts, this entire ending diagonal pattern has broken on the downside. So overall things are looking negative. Still this previous swing low is expected to break next week. Overall things are looking negative, and the strategy should be to buy on decline, sell on rise. On hourly charts, we've seen a retracement of around 61% of the previous fall, and then starting the next move on the downside, forming low top, low bottom. The momentum indicator is just has given a buy signal, so I think a small bounce is expected till 6080 or 6100, but that will be a good opportunity to go short again next week. On Bank Nifty, it has closed below 20 and 40 daily moving average, which is negative. This channel has broken on the downside. The momentum indicator has given a sell signal, so things are looking negative, and the strategy should be to sell on rise. Support would be around 10,600 and 10,480. Resistance would be around 10,915 and 11,120. SDIL is looking negative. This entire ending diagonal pattern is expected to break on the downside, which will have an extremely negative sign for the stock, and also extremely aggressive targets on the downside. Stop loss should be maintained at 45.10 and target would be around 42.5 and 41. So this stock is looking extremely negative, so be very cautious on the delivery side as well as on the positional side. If you logged it, I would suggest you to go short or exit at least the long positions. The second stock is IDFC. This stock has formed a head and shoulder pattern on the hourly charts, which is broken on the downside. The momentum indicators on the sell side on the hourly charts. So I'll be expecting a good targets on the downside. Stop loss should be maintained at 105.20 and target would be around 100.50 and 98.50. So short-term targets would be around 98, but I think in the medium-term outlook, I'll be expecting a target of around 90 and even below that. So overall things are looking negative, but there might be a chance of a bounce till 6100 or 6080 levels, and that will be a very good opportunity to go short again. So the strategy should be to sell on rise and keep a stop loss of around 6120 or 6150 and a target of around 5900 or 5800. Thank you so much.